In this video, we'll go over how to set up the people counting feature on the X series cameras. Click the gear button on the top of the screen to get to the setup menu. Go to Statistics from the menu on the left and then go to Setup under the people counting option. Check the boxes shown to enable the people counting feature. Click the OK button to confirm when the pop-up window appears. You can create up to 2 lines on the screen to count people that cross either line. To start, check the box next to line 1 or 2, then add a name for the line you checked. Click and drag the corners of the line or the line itself to move it around. Every line has an in count and an out count. People crossing with the arrow pointing in is the in count, and the opposite arrow is the out count. You can also choose the second line, move it around on the screen, and select the in and out count like the first line. When finished, press the Apply button on the bottom. Click the OK button to confirm when the pop-up window appears. Next, click on the Calibration tab to calibrate the scene to maximize your accuracy level. Resize the blue line using the click and drag method to include the person from shoulder to shoulder and the head as shown. When finished, click the Apply button and confirm. Enable the camera to email a report on a daily or weekly basis or upload a report to the FTP. When finished, click the Apply button and confirm. Go to the Configuration tab and click the Delete All button at the bottom of the page to make sure all previous data is deleted. Finally, test the Analytic and make sure it is functioning well in its environment. If it is working properly, you will see the in and out counts increase by 1 when they pass in the direction of the arrow. Thanks for watching this how-to video. Visit our website at www.hanwhasecurity.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment.